Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to decorate a few rooms at my house and more like redoing my living room as well, because we're gonna have some professional family pictures that are gonna be taken here at the house, and I don't have a fireplace nor I have room to have a Christmas tree, so I decided to just DIY my own fireplace. I hope you guys like it. I hope it inspires you to maybe make your own little fireplace area. So first I am going to just sweep my living room area. By the way, I don't know why Chico thought somebody was at the door, and I just wanted to check and see if no one was there. But he's just so curious. He still thinks someone's at the door. Anyway, but I'm going to mop. I'm just using this Shark steam mop. I really like it, you guys. I think it does an amazing job. I'm also going to be using this orange and rosemary concentrated cleaner, all-purpose cleaner that I received from Girl Collaborative. I really love the scent, so that's why I'm gonna use it for these floors. Okay, you guys, I'm talking too much, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the music, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout.
So I'm just gonna be cleaning or wiping down my dining room table. I'm not going to be decorating in this video because I am planning to do everything on a budget, just using Dollar Tree items, but that will be of course in a separate video. But I want to do like decor and also like the plates and everything from Dollar Tree. So if you guys are excited to see that video, please give me a thumbs up, and that will be coming next.
You and me, I found a miracle, I found a dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for.
So this was filmed in a separate day, but I am just gonna clean my dirty bathroom because it honestly, you guys, this bathroom is really dirty. I went grocery shopping and I got some shampoo and stuff like that, and everything was just on top of the sink. So I'm trying to just put everything away, and of course I am gonna decorate my restroom as well. So I bought some like a cute shower curtain and just like soap. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am just so excited to bring everything out. But first, oh, and by the way, I am so sorry for the quality of this part of the video because I was testing out a new camera, and this camera was the Sony RX100 Mark III. And honestly, you guys, hey, Sony, come for me, whatever, but I'm gonna tell you guys the truth, this camera sucks. I just did not like it. So yeah, you guys clearly see how nice quality this camera is, you know. But yeah, so I'm so sorry, you guys, that you have to deal with this quality. So you guys, I got this stepping bin from Aldi, and if you haven't been to Aldi lately, you need to go because they have amazing stuff for really, really inexpensive prices. So I had a silver one, but it just, you know, you guys, it just rusted out. So I went ahead and got one of them in black, and I think it looks way better beside this sink area. Kind of just blends in with everything.
Neck is frozen, catch me rolling. I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Alright, so moving on to my shower area. This is completely a mess, you guys. So I'm just gonna take everything out of there, and actually I am gonna be taking my baby girl's tub out because we are gonna have family over, and I just don't want them to be, you know, uncomfortable or the shower being just too small. The baby tub is just really, really big. So I just decided to put it in the garage for right now. And I took the curtain off, this old curtain off, because it was really dirty, and I honestly thought this room could need some joy. So I'm gonna be changing the shower curtain later on. I just love this curtain, and I got it from Big Lots. So just in case, you know, a little heads up if you guys want to go purchase it. But yeah, I really love how the whole bathroom is coming out, you guys. Like, I just love how it looks, honestly. But yeah, so here's the curtain I got. Don't you guys just think it's so cute? Anyway, I'll be quiet now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.